If your therapist's name is Brownie, then this one is definitely for you. Let's make these eggless fudgy chocolate brownies. Start by melting your chocolate and butter over a double boiler. Once melted, take it down and let it cool. In another bowl, combine both the sugars along with some curd or yogurt, whatever you like. Mix them together and then add some vanilla extract. Mix it again and then add melted chocolate. Combine everything together and then sift in your dry ingredients. So here goes the flour, the cocoa powder, some baking powder, and finally some baking soda. Give it a good mix. Now this looks ready. Now transfer the batter in the prepared pan. I'm using 8 by 8 inch square pan. Smoothen it and bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Take them out when ready. Let it cool fully in the tin and refrigerate for best results. Cut into desired size squares and then enjoy. Happy baking!